Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create standard content on your D2L class site, and this would be using a template. I'm going to show the beginning part using both modes of content. This is showing the newer form of content known as lessons. And so within your lesson, you would click on the area where you would like to, or unit where you would like to put the content. And the content we're going to add is basically like adding a web page, and every page is going to have a standardized format. Choose Add Material and choose Document. So in lessons or the new style of content, it's known as a document. And you're ready to give it a title and also pick the template. I'm going to show you the exact same thing in the old school style of content. So in your content, pick the module or unit where you would like to add your content. And now you're going to click on Upload and Create. And in this case, you're choosing Create a File. In the newer format, it was known as a document. Now we're basically looking the same at this point. So at this stage, what you want to put in is put in whatever you want as a title, and you're going to select one of the templates. We're going to choose one of the newer templates that's mobile responsive. So that means that it will work perfectly fine for students and teachers on tablets and phones, as well as desktops and laptops and Chromebooks. So it will resize perfectly fine, and you won't have any issues with other devices. I need to choose shared files, HTML template generic, and then module 01 generic. You can also take a look in module 00. I'm just going to repeat that process for you using the lessons format to show you that it's the same. Put a title in, click on template, browse for a template, same idea, shared files, HTML template generic, and again, we're going to choose module 01 generic. Each one of these, when you click on them, will give you a preview. Don't get fooled. You can't actually change the preview. This is just having a look at it. So maybe you want a page that just kind of gives an overview of your course, or maybe you'd like to have a page that is introducing you or some other person that's going to be working in your class. All of this can be changed, not in the preview, but once we select the template we want. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose the Meet the Facilitator one first to show you. So Meet the Facilitator, choose Add. And now all you're doing is probably this template's not a great template for the topic that I have, careers in IT. You can make any changes that you want to this. So if you wanted to change this to meet your volunteer or meet your teacher, whatever you want to put, then you go ahead and do that. And the next part, you can change things however you want to change them. So just to give you some examples. And there's a spot there for you to put your school board email, as well as a spot there, not sure what a Mobi is, a spot there for you to put your work phone number as well as the voicemail number. And for the picture that's there, you can change that picture simply by clicking where the picture is, delete the picture that's there, and then just go ahead and click on the camera and insert a picture that you want to put in. If you're doing this you can edit this from your phone or from a tablet. When you click on the camera, to add the picture. It will even give you the option of taking a picture in that moment. So if you wanted to capture a picture in your classroom or something else, because you don't have a picture, you can take it in the moment and then add it in there. And then there is a spot right there for me to go ahead and put in my name. So let's go ahead and see if we can add in an image. So I'm not going to pick a real image here. Actually, I think I do have one profile, something I made a long time ago. Add it. This part is asking what you would want it to say for someone that has a vision impairment. So if you do want to have words read out, then those would be the words that would be read out. You can also check it off and choose not to do that. And simply save. So this is now your Meet the Teacher information, and a great way to create standardized web pages that will work perfectly fine on phones and tablets for students, and even something that you can create if you wanted to do it, editing or creating it from your phone or tablet. So this is just a quick introduction to adding content and using a template.